Hi there, want to meal prep with me today? Today I want to meal prep lunches. I want to make sure that we have healthy lunches ready to go and will only take us 5 minutes or less to put together so that we have something healthy to eat every day next week. So let's go. Okay, so on the menu this week is going to be barbecue chicken and roasted vegetables, chicken salad, and also some chicken tacos. Love my tacos, gotta have those. So we're gonna make the chicken very versatile. So we're gonna just cook the chicken today in the foodie, and we're gonna put olive oil and salt and pepper on it. That way it can be used for all three of those different lunches. I'm gonna start with the chicken and the roasted vegetables because those take the longest. Okay, so that took less than an hour. That was more like 45 minutes, and I got most of my cleaning done along the way. So that is awesome. And I have to admit, I've been snacking too. But here's what we ended up with. We've got our chicken with roasted potatoes, onions, bell peppers, and asparagus, all prepped and ready. Put some barbecue sauce on it. So this is ready to go. It's been cooling, so now I've got those to put in the fridge. So there's a couple lunches. For tacos, I cut up some lettuce cups and rolled them up. I like to try to get them as dry as I can. Then roll them up in paper towels. They'll stay nice and they're ready. So we'll have chicken. I put seasoning on the chicken. So now we have chicken tacos and cilantro and onions. We have salsa, lettuce cups. That's a perfect, easy to go, easy to do lunch. And then we have a couple salads. So in here, as you saw, I layered it. I've got the dressing on the bottom. I put the chicken. I always like to put the chicken in on top of the dressing because it helps soak it up and kind of helps marinate it. There are some cut up bell peppers. There are red onions. There's lots of romaine. The other thing that I probably will put on maybe when I make it would be some sunflower seeds. And all you have to do when you're ready to eat is shake it up like this. Grab a fork and it's ready to go. Super easy, love it. So I got a couple of those. So we're ready for the week. So good news is I have some extras. I'm gonna go munch. So join me next time for some more meal prep. Enjoy your week. Bye.